All right, working on my kick panels and bought the insulation kit. So you get these two little squares of insulation, and so then I'm working on putting these on. You can tell where the glue was before on these panels. So when I'm installing these, I did a measurement inside the car, and I'll show you. So there's two holes. This one here, if you stay about an inch away from it inwards, and then from here, if you draw a measuring line straight over and an inch down. All right, so about right there is probably good. So about an inch down, and then about an inch over, and then over a bit. So that's a good position. And then these aren't cut perfectly, so and then you want to cut this a little bit away from here, because otherwise when you go to put this panel in, the insulation is going to be in the way, and you probably won't be able to. You probably could if you forced it, is to tuck this corner in. So it'd be good if you have a little bit of distance away from here. And then on the inside, I'll show you what I mean. So it goes right here. All right, so there's a hole about an inch down, so from the hole, and about an inch over from that one. And position sits about here. So it's not too bad. So it basically just covers this hole right here. And then this softer end goes inside, so this pink side here glues to the back of the kick panel. All right, there we go. So again, so I just cut the edge, so we've got a nice even here, and then I just cut the corner over here. I was touching a little bit. You can cut if you want. And also a good idea here. So the bottom of the insulation can also be along the edge here. So and then I'm just going to use this, just a seam sealer as my glue, and that's it. So I'll do the same to the other one, and then I'll work on the installation for the actual panels later. All right, got them glued in, so just waiting for them to dry. All right, and that's it.